Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video I'm creating a drop fade on one of my clients. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin. The first step is to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath the guideline I just created. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber, but this one's zero gapped. The next step is to erase the guideline, or the bald line. I do this by fully extending the blade on my clipper, and each time I pass through the section, I close the blade just a little bit and pass through the section again. I continue doing this until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Move straight up and out with this guard. When you're done passing through the section, close the blade and repeat. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Avoid cutting the hairs at the top of the blend. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Each time you pass through the section, close the lever just a bit and pass through the section again. Keep doing this until the demarcation is gone. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. The next step is to clean up the line with the straight razor. If your drop fade looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers and trimmers in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.